the ITGS Guru here, and today we're going to be talking about what is Web 2.0. What is Web 2.0? Well, Web 2.0 refers to the websites that allow users to contribute information as well as view it. For this reason, it is sometimes called the read-write web, to distinguish it from the first websites which only allowed viewing of information, the read-only web. Web 2.0 sites often make use of user-generated content and tagging systems to categorize data. Web 2.0 is not a technical standard, merely a term used to describe a style of website or service. The following PowerPoint, or presentation, will discuss examples of Web 2.0 technology. Now let's start with talking about the controversy over what Web 2.0 really is. Now, if you ask a dozen different internet experts what the term Web 2.0 means, you'll get a dozen different answers, most likely. Some say that Web 2.0 is a set of philosophies and practices that provide web users with a deep and rich experience. Others say it is a new collection of applications and technologies that make it easier for people to find information and connect with one another online. Personally, that's the definition that I believe. But a few journalists also still attempt to acclaim that the term actually doesn't mean anything at all. It's just a marketing ploy used to hype social networking sites. I don't believe that, but some people do, so I figured I'd include it. Technically speaking, the term Web 2.0 was created by O'Reilly media publisher Dale Daughtry to describe the new web environment that emerged after the 2000 dot-com crash. The phase has since taken on a meaning of its own. A little bit more about that. On September 2005, Tim O'Reilly posted a blog entry that defined Web 2.0. The explanation spanned 5 pages of text and graphics illustrating O'Reilly's take on what the term meant. And I'm sure if you Google that, you could find that blog right there. O'Reilly's philosophy of Web 2.0 includes these ideas: using the web as applications platform, democratizing the web, and employing new methods to distribute information. So the person who coined the term Web 2.0, that is how he defines it. Now, some examples of Web 2.0, one would be blogs, sites which keep a chronological list of posts. Blogs are often used like individual journals, as well as an easy way to post news updates on a given topic. Usually blog readers can comment on postings. Sites like Blogger and WordPress allow anyone to easily create their own blog. Microblogs. Microblogs are similar to blogs, except that posts are limited in length. The most famous microblog, Twitter, limits posts called tweets to 140 characters. And here is a homepage of Twitter. Wikis. Websites that can be edited by their users. Probably the most famous example of a wiki is Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, which allows anyone to edit its content. Or at least it used to. I think you have to go through a different process now, but anyone can basically edit it. Wikis consist of a series of pages that are linked together, just like a normal website. This also is Wikispaces, which allows anyone to edit the content as long as they have an account there. Social bookmarking. Tools which allow users to share their favorite links and tag them with keywords that describe their contents. Social bookmarking sites like Diigo and Delicious allow users to search and tag to find sites other users recommend when investigating that topic. Social networking. There are now some of the largest sites on the internet. The biggest, Facebook, has over 800 million users. Many social network sites are designed for leisure purposes, enabling people to connect in contact with friends and family. Others, like LinkedIn, are used by people to keep in contact with business contacts, search for jobs, and find business partners. RSS. A push technology which allows users to view updates to websites without having to repeatedly visit the site to check for changes. By configuring an RSS news readers with RSS feeds, any changes made to monitored websites are automatically displayed in the reader. RSS technology is often used when information changes frequently, such as on blogs, news pages, and auction sites. Here we have eBay, which uses RSS technology. Podcasts and vodcasts. At the most basic definition, podcasts are sound files which are downloaded to a computer or a music player, alerting their listeners using RSS feeds. Podcasts can be downloaded from a web page as normal audio files or subscribed to using podcast client software or podcatcher software. Podcast clients have options for searching for podcasts by topic and downloading the latest episodes as they become available. Vodcasts are very similar to podcasts, except they feature video as well as audio. The future of Web 2.0 is at Web 3.0. Web 2.0 was seen as an innovation over what had become known as Web 1.0, which wasn't a term created until after the term Web 2.0 was created, so they didn't refer to that back when they were using Web 1.0, allowing more interaction and collaboration from users. Opinions are divided on what form Web 3.0, the next evolutionary step in the history of World Wide Web, might take. Some of the suggestions include an Internet of Things, where many everyday devices are internet connected, communicating with other devices, sharing their data, and are able to be controlled remotely. A semantic web, where metadata is added to data to enable machines to understand its meaning. This could improve searches by understanding the relationship between items of information. A 3D interactive web where information is presented as three-dimensional virtual worlds represented by realistic graphics. And here's a bibliography of a useful link if you want to check out some more about Web 2.0. And around here at Eric the ITGS Guru, we close with, stay nerdy, my friends.